Boom! Happy New Year, guys! This is Leong here, your Asia Juice Guru. I hope you guys had an amazing start of the new year. And in today's juicy episode, I want to share with you how you can actually make your own pomegranate juice at home. Boom! This is Leong here. Now, if you think that pomegranate is just a normal fruit, it's not your ordinary fruit. In fact, this fruit is so powerful and it is in fact so amazing that you might not even aware of its benefits. So now I want to share with you the 8 powerful benefits in a pomegranate that will give you more reasons why you should be drinking it or you should be eating it. Number 1. It is good to fight bacterial or fungal infections. So for any of you who are suffering from fungal infections, especially candida, right, conjunctivitis, right, and also periodontitis, this is really good for you. So this is number 1 benefit. Number 2, it is also amazing for any one of you who wants to have beautiful, radiant skin, because pomegranate is rich in antioxidants, so it's actually very good to promote skin health. So if you are having those late nights, or especially if you are a heavy coffee drinker or tea drinker, you might want to consume pomegranate. It's really good for you to hydrate your skin. Benefit number 3, it is actually very powerful and in fact proven to help cure arthritis. So arthritis is becoming more and more common nowadays. So for any one of you or your parents who are suffering from arthritis, pomegranate will help them reduce the pain and also help them to cure faster. Number 4 benefit is that it is also very good for mothers during your prenatal stage, because it helps you to boost your immunity. It strengthens your immunity as well. So very good for mothers during your prenatal care. Benefit number 5, it helps to fight prostate cancer. So for anyone with prostate cancer, you want to continue consuming pomegranate. And of course, at the same time, for anyone that wants to prevent prostate cancer as well, pomegranate would be your right choice. Benefit number 6, it helps to improve digestion. For any one of you who are suffering from digestive issues, pomegranate will help you do the work. It will help you to break down the food much easier. Benefit number 7, it helps you to reduce blood pressure. And finally, the last and one of the most important powerful benefit of pomegranate in benefit number 8 is that it helps you to boost your memory, at the same time gives you the extra power to concentrate. Right? So if you're finding it very hard to have good memory, very hard to concentrate in certain parts of the days, and you're relying too much on coffee, too much of caffeine, too much of sugar, then go for these guys, because it's gonna aid and give you what you need. So these are the 8 powerful benefits of pomegranate that you might not have ever heard of anywhere else. Now I want to move on to how you can make them at home.